Hi everyone, my name is DK, and today I'd like to present to you the R11VAC-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless wet and dry vac. It's a cordless wet and dry vac, which means it's capable for wet and dry functionality, from spillages in the workshop to debris pickup. It has a bagless design with an 11-litre capacity bin. This is large enough for long-term collection of dust or debris. To empty, it's really easy. There's two quick lock clasps on each side of the vac that clip open. You can then remove the top of the vac for a quick empty of the waste bin. There are several onboard accessories included with the R11VAC-Li. Housed on the vac are a crevice nozzle, a flat surface nozzle and a dusting brush.